Monogram Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in monogram freezers and refrigerators that consist of the monogram chest freezer, monogram refrigerator freezer, monogram standalone freezer, along with all other monogram models. If your monogram freezer is not cooling, or your monogram freezer is not working, or your monogram freezer runs all the time, or possibly your monogram freezer is leaking water, your monogram freezer has defrost drain problems, your monogram freezer's coils frosting up, or your monogram freezer indicator light is out, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.